Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue the reading part of lesson 5, Water on the Earth. WATER, water on the earth. EARTH, earth. See, in our previous class we have completed the reading part of water on the earth and sources of water. And in today's class, we are going to continue the reading part from Water Cycle. WATER, water cycle. CYCLE, water cycle. The sun, SUN, sun heats, HEATES, heats the water. WATER, water present, PRESENT, present in rivers. RIVERS, rivers. LAKES, lakes. PONDS, ponds. And SEAS, seas. Hot water takes, TAKES, takes the form, FORM, form of water vapor. WATER, water, VAPOUR, water vapor. Water vapor goes, GOES, goes up in the sky, 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 and forms, FORMS, forms clouds, CLOUDS, clouds. When these, THESE, when these clouds, 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 cool down, COOL, cool, DOWN, down, it rains, RAINS, rains. The water returns, RETURNS, returns to the water bodies, BODIES, bodies on the ground, GROUND, ground. This continuous, CONTINUOUS, this continuous process, PROCESS, process is called water cycle. WATER, water, CYCLE, cycle. Again, I will repeat the paragraph. Listen carefully and also repeat along with me, children. The sun heats the water present in rivers, lakes, ponds, and seas. Hot water takes the form of water vapor. Water vapor goes up in the sky and forms clouds. When these clouds cool down, it rains. The water returns to the water bodies on the ground. This continuous process is called water cycle. Now see, saving water, SAVING, saving water, WATER, water. There is, THERE, there is a lot, LOT, lot of water, 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 present on the earth, but only a small, SMALL, small portion, PORTION, portion of it can be used, USED, used. Some of it is frozen, FROZEN, frozen on the mountain peaks, MOUNTAIN, mountain peaks, 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 while much, MUCH, much of it is salty, SALTY, salty. Therefore, THERE, FORE, therefore, it is important, 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 to save, SAVE, save water and use it wisely, WISELY, wisely. Once again, I will repeat this paragraph. Children, listen carefully and also repeat along with me. Saving water. There is a lot of water present on the earth, but only a small portion of it can be used. Some of it is frozen on the mountain peaks, while much of it is salty. Therefore, it is important to save water and use it wisely. Now, C. Storing of rainwater. Storing of rainwater. STORING storing. RAIN rain. WATER water. Storing rainwater. Rainwater is the purest, purest form of water. This is the water that we use for drinking, 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 and washing, WASHING, washing. We can collect, 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 and store, store, rainwater, RAIN rain, WATER rainwater, for later, LATER later use. The process, process of collecting, 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 and storing, STORING, storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting, RAINWATER rainwater harvesting, HARVESTING harvesting. Rainwater can be collected in tanks, 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 and wells, WELLS, wells. Children, this is all about the reading part of chapter 5, the water on the earth. Okay, once go through the reading part, children. Bye. Thank you.